Have you ever spent money on a high-quality human hair wig only to have it look frizzy, dry, and lifeless after just a few months of wear? Well, if this sounds like you, then don't worry because today we are going to cover everything you need to know about the ultimate guide to wig care. Today I am so excited because we are going to be talking about wig care. Have you ever heard of a wig needing to be put on a diet? Yes, you heard me right. Make sure to stay till the end because I'm going to be sharing my top tip that will either prolong the life of your wig or cut it short. Now before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss one of our videos. And now let's get started. First off, wigs are not a one-size-fits-all kind of accessory. Just like our natural hair, wigs come in different textures, colors, and materials, and they require special care and attention to keep them looking their best. If you haven't already, I would recommend checking out my video on how to find the perfect wig for your face shape because trust me, you want to make sure that you're starting with the right wig for you. Now let's talk about some of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to wig care. One of the most common mistakes is using the wrong shampoo and conditioner. Harsh detergents and chemicals can strip the wig of its natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to damage. This is especially true for human hair wigs, which are more delicate than synthetic wigs. But don't worry, I got you covered. There are plenty of sulfate-free shampoos available specifically designed for wigs. Using these products will help maintain the integrity of your wig and keep it looking luscious and full. Another mistake that people make is neglecting to wash their wigs regularly. Depending on how often you wear your wig, you should be washing it every 4 to 6 weeks or so. This will help remove dirt, oil, and product buildup that can weigh down the wig and make it look greasy. However, it's important to note that you don't want to overwash your wig. I recommend consulting the manufacturer's instructions for guidance on how often you should wash your specific wig. Mistake number 3 is not rinsing your wig thoroughly after washing. Any excess product or shampoo left in the wig can cause buildup and weigh down the strands. To prevent this, make sure to rinse your wig until the water runs clear. Now let's talk about styling mistakes that can wreak havoc on your wig. Using hot styling tools like flat irons and curling irons can cause serious damage to the wig, especially if they are used without proper precautions. High heat can cause the fibers to melt or the glue to break down, resulting in a misshapen and tangled mess. Now I'm not saying that you can never use hot styling tools on your wig. If you do choose to use them, make sure to use the lowest heat setting possible and use a heat protectant spray beforehand. Additionally, you should avoid using hot rollers as they can cause the wig to shrink and become misshapen. Instead, you can try using Velcro rollers or flexi rods as alternatives. Another styling mistake is overbrushing your wig. Brushing your wig too aggressively can cause the hair to fall out and become tangled. Instead, you should use a wide-toothed comb to detangle your wig gently, starting from the ends and working your way up towards the roots. Now let's talk about storage. If you've ever thought that storing your wig on a mannequin head is the only option, then you'd be wrong. Well, actually you'd be very wrong. In fact, storing your wig on a mannequin head can cause the hair to become misshapen and stretched out over time. Instead, you should store your wig on a wig stand or in a clean, dry area away from direct sunlight. Now here's a little pro tip from me to you. If your wig has adjustable straps in the back, I recommend loosening the straps before storing your wig to prevent stretching. Also, if you're planning on traveling with your wig, consider putting it in a wig box or using a wig cap to protect it from damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to wig care is ignoring the importance of regular trims. Just like our natural hair, wigs need to be trimmed regularly to prevent split ends and keep the wig looking its best. However, you should always consult with your stylist before trimming your wig, as it can be difficult to repair a wig once it has been cut. Another common mistake is not knowing how to properly clean the wig cap. The wig cap is an important part of the wig that helps to secure the wig to your head and keep it in place. A dirty wig cap can lead to a smelly and uncomfortable wearing experience. To clean your wig cap, you should spot clean any stains as soon as possible and wash the entire cap according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you've ever wondered whether or not you should put your wig on a diet, then let me clarify. Wigs do not need to be put on a diet, but they do need to be kept clean and free of buildup. Product buildup can weigh down the strands of the wig and make it look greasy and lifeless. To prevent this, make sure to use a clarifying shampoo once a month to remove any buildup that may have accumulated since the last wash. You can also use a gentle clarifying shampoo formulated for sensitive scalps. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret that will make a world of a difference when it comes to wig care. One of the best ways to keep your wig looking its best is by using a wide tooth comb to detangle it before and after washing. This will help prevent hair loss and keep the wig in good condition. Now there are some exceptions to this rule, like with lace front wigs. Lace front wigs have a sheer material at the front of the wig that gives the illusion that the hair is growing directly from the skin. This type of wig requires special care to prevent damage to the lace. Before washing a lace front wig, it's just important to first soak it in a solution of cold water and a small amount of mild shampoo. Once the wig has been thoroughly wet, you can begin the process of detangling the hair. Start from the bottom of the wig and work your way up slowly and carefully. Use a wide-toothed wooden comb to prevent snagging or tearing the lace. After the wig has been detangled, it's important to rinse it thoroughly to remove any excess shampoo or residue. Gently press out any excess water and lay the wig flat on a clean towel to dry. And here's another little pro tip from me to you. To prevent tangles, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your scalp. Not only will this help keep the tangles away, but it will leave your hair smelling fresh and delicious. Now let's talk about deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is an important step in wig care that can help keep the wig hydrated and prevent it from becoming dry and brittle. Most synthetic wigs come pre-treated with a silicone or polymer that makes deep conditioning unnecessary. However, human hair wigs can benefit from deep conditioning treatments. To deep condition your human hair wig, apply a small amount of conditioner to the ends of the wig and work your way up towards the roots. Leave the conditioner in for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. This should only be done once a month or as needed. Another important aspect of wig care is color care. If you have a colored wig, it's important to take extra steps to prevent the color from fading. To help prevent color fading, you can use a color depositing shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for colored wigs. These products can help refresh the color and keep the wig looking vibrant. So there you have it, folks. From washing and styling to deep conditioning and color care, there are plenty of things you can do to keep your wig looking its best. Remember, a little care goes a long way. By following these tips, you can help prolong the life of your wig and keep it looking beautiful for years to come. Now I want to hear from you. What are your top wig care tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on how to style your wig and maintain its quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. Happy wigging!